Airmax are back, man. But you know, this the color we all been waiting for. The OGs, man. Hit the B-roll. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And the Airmax 95 Neon Yellow. I swear that's the first time I heard them call it Neon Yellow. We used to just call it Lime Green. But they back, man. They dropped officially 2 days ago. I got my pair last week from the JD Sports Secure situation. But it's weird because they did kind of come out last year, but like not a release date, not an official. Some stores still dropped them even though they got pushed back. But they're here now officially. I keep getting notifications. Restock. So they should be available. But it don't matter if they're available. This is a OG classic. If you a sneakerhead, this is a sneaker that you just gotta have in your collection, man. I put it up there with the Galaxies, certain Jordans, but this is one, man. Neon yellow, huh? We don't do too much talking. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. The nostalgia, man. Same box, guys. Same Nike Air Max 95 box, man. So it's gray, black, white, and of course, your neon yellow. It reads Air Max at the top, Air Max on the side. Talks about the technology of the Air Max there. Air Max changed Nike for the better. So it reads Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble, black, neon yellow, cool gray. When you flip open the lid, you get white tissue paper, and let's get it. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the neon yellow Air Max 95s on the left. So, of course, nothing's changed, and nothing should change. You still get that nice lime, little, small swoosh at the top near the sock liner. The netting is still white. And this was, like, always my favorite part. No matter what color this was here, was how the grays kind of just went out. Like you buying paint at Home Depot or something. You go from the dark gray to the medium gray to the light gray to the very, very light gray. That is still the same, guys. You get your, like, I guess they calling it cool gray, and that does make sense at the top or the front of the sneaker. Then the netting comes in. But the Air Max 95s is really whatever color it was that made the sneaker pop. It says Air Max logo at the top on the tongue. White shoelaces. They did play with the tips paws before a couple of years ago on certain Air Max, but that just has a white one. The back, you got Nike Air on the back. Just a classic sneaker, man. You see the lime green in the bubble. Or I'm going to say what they say, neon yellow in the bubbles. This sneaker was just like very well put together. And that's why it can come out. I don't feel like doing the math. 95, 2005. A long time ago, man. And they could just keep coming back and we'll still go crazy over them. That was the left. Here's the right. Nothing's changed. That neon yellow just pops, man. What does the bottom read? The bottom reads 20 PSI, Nike Air, 25 PSI, 5 PSI. I never knew what PSI stand for, but that's what the way the tires are inflated, that's how it's calculated. But you see that here, so I guess here is 20, then 5, then so on and so on. Super dope, man. Yeah, man, so my only gripe about this sneaker was I felt like the price was too high. Because when they dropped again in like the early 2000s, I remember paying roughly like 180, 150, 160 even. I paid 205 or something. Like, I gotta go check at the JD Sports receipt, but I paid over $200 for the sneaker. That's my only gripe. But I'm happy I got it in my collection. I remember chasing these chasing the feel of these. I think a couple years ago, Jordan Brand came out with like a Jordan 4 Airmax with the same colors. And I had it in my collection for a while, but I felt like it was a fraud, man. I felt like I had to get the real deal, man. Again, if you ain't get a pair, just keep your eyes open. I'm getting links constantly, so I know they're out there, man. Nike made sure they made enough of these sneakers. Whenever you see Nordstrom's with the sneaker, it's a lot. Because Nordstrom's only get certain sneakers. So if they get them, it's a lot out there, man. But, oh, I didn't even show y'all the inside. The tennis ball inside. My bad, guys. Classic, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Just a quick review. Is nothing I really could review of the sneakers. Not new. We've seen it for years. But it does have that same feel. That same material. Well, not same material. The material in here is dope. I can't remember the material from years ago. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.